Welcome to the best picks. The best dental bonding kit is probably one of the most transformative cosmetic dental solutions available today, offering a convenient and surprisingly affordable way to address minor imperfections and enhance your smile's overall aesthetic appeal without the hefty price tag and commitment of more extensive procedures. This video will provide an in-depth look at what makes a great dental bonding kit, helping you choose the best one for your needs and achieve a dazzling, confident smile from the comfort of your own home. Number 5. Mastermedi Zinc Oxide Cement Kit. This kit provides everything you need for reliable dental work. It's perfect for crowns, bridges, and fillings. It sets quickly, ensuring a strong and long-lasting bond. Ideal for immediate fillings and restorations. No need for additional curing lights or adhesives. It adheres easily and cures itself. Its versatile shade blends seamlessly with natural tooth color for a natural-looking result. The kit includes powder, liquid, mixing pad, spoon, and instructions for a simple and convenient application. It's made with high-quality zinc Oxide-Eugenol for reliable performance and peace of mind. Trust Mastermedi for your dental needs. What we like. It boasts superior strength for instant fillings, bridges, and caps. Its self-curing formula is incredibly convenient. If you need a reliable, all-purpose solution for dental work, this is the kit for you. What people say. I had to do this several times in order to get the consistency right. But once I did, it held for an entire week before having to do it again. Just make certain to follow the directions closely. It is a challenge getting the resin to set exactly where you want, and keeping it dry for 5 minutes can be a channeling task, but once it dries it does feel solid and should last a week or two easily. This stuff works and gets rock hard if you use it correctly. Apply it successfully. And keep it dry enough to cure properly. Number 4. DenTek Temparin Max Repair Kit. Don't worry. This kit makes quick and easy repairs. Get temporary relief until your dentist appointment. Secure it easily and quickly with this handy kit. It's perfect for those times between dental visits. It provides temporary relief from dental emergencies. You can get back to your day with confidence. It's so simple to use, anyone can do it. Just follow the easy instructions for a secure repair. Dentists recommend this for use between appointments. It's a reliable solution for temporary dental issues. This kit provides enough material for more than 13 repairs. That's a lot of peace of mind. What we like. It's perfect for quickly fixing lost fillings or securing loose caps and crowns before a dentist visit. It provides temporary relief until you can see your dentist. If you need a quick fix for dental emergencies, this is your best bet. What people say. This product was a lifesaver. In fact, it was much more comfortable than the temporary filling that the dentist put in. But to be clear, this product is temporary and won't replace a visit to your dentist. This is a great temporary fix for any lost filling until you are able to get to the dentist. It's super easy to use, but I do find that if you have to wait more than a couple days to get to the dentist, you will have to reapply it as it tends to break up. My crown came off and could not get in dentist for a week, so got this and worked great. My neighbor chipped his back tooth and it was a holiday weekend, so he used this and was able to enjoy the holiday. It's so tiny if you need to carry in your purse or ever your pocket. It's about the size of a tiny spool of thread. So easy to use. It comes with an applicator and it's a great value. Number 3. DenTek Temparin Max Repair Kit. It's quick and easy to use. This kit provides a temporary fix for lost fillings, giving you relief until your dentist appointment. Don't let a loose cap or crown ruin your day. It's designed to hold them securely in place until you can see your dentist. It offers temporary relief from dental discomfort. Get the peace of mind you need until your next dental visit. Dentists recommend it for use between dental visits. It's a convenient solution for common dental emergencies. Each kit contains enough material for 13 or more repairs. That's plenty to handle those unexpected dental mishaps. It's the perfect solution for those unexpected dental problems. Keep it handy for quick and easy repairs. What we like. It offers a quick and easy solution for dental emergencies. It's ideal for securing loose caps and crowns until you can see a dentist. If you need a reliable temporary solution in a convenient multi-pack, this is the one for you. What people say. Glued my front tooth back in. Very easy. Sets up great. This product is great for a temporary filling. If you lose a filling, have a cavity or opening in a tooth, this works best for me to take away the pain and keep it covered till I can get to the dentist. Great to have on hand just in case someone in the family may need it. Number 2. Let's Resin UV Resin Kit. This kit provides everything you need for quick and easy bonding and curing. It's perfect for crafting and repairs. It cures in just 5 to 10 seconds under UV light. This low-viscosity resin is strong, odorless, and highly transparent. Unlike traditional glue, it remains liquid until cured, allowing for easy shaping and modification. Create your perfect art piece. It bonds a variety of materials, including resin, glass, acrylic, metal, and plastic. At least one material should be transparent for optimal results. The included UV flashlight is rechargeable and portable, making it convenient for any project. It's energy efficient and easy to use. With years of experience, we're dedicated to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. We're here to help you bring your creative visions to life. What we like. This kit cures in seconds, making it perfect for various craft and repair projects. Its strong adhesive works on many materials. If you're looking for a fast curing, versatile adhesive for crafts or repairs, this is a great choice. Number 1. KI Zinc Oxide-Eugenol Cement Kit. This kit is perfect for dental professionals needing a reliable and easy-to-use solution for crowns, bridges, and fillings. It's designed for strength and convenience. It's ideal for instant fillings, bridges, and caps, offering superior strength and a reliable bond. It's a versatile solution for various dental procedures. This cement is self-curing and self-adherent, simplifying the application process. The universal shade ensures a natural-looking finish. Everything you need is included: powder, liquid, mixing pad, measuring spoon, spatula, and instructions. It's ready to use right out of the box. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund within 1 year of purchase. Your satisfaction is our priority. With its simple application and reliable performance, it's a time-saving solution for dental professionals. The included instructions make it easy to use. What we like. It offers high strength for fillings, bridges, and caps. The self-curing and universal shade features make it incredibly convenient. If you value a high-quality, reliable solution with a satisfaction guarantee, this is the kit for you. What people say. It worked perfectly for what I needed it to do. The instructions were simple enough. I do recommend mixing the product a few times to ensure you get the right consistency. It felt very durable. Easy to use. The mixing process was simple and the instructions were straightforward. Make sure the tooth area is dry and the cement sticks great. Has been holding my crown for 3 weeks so far. Follow the directions and it works great to get you through until you are able to get to your dentist. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.